Hi dear friends, I've been really busy lately and I didn't have time to make videos, but I decided I'm gonna be making some orders that I have so you can see what I'm working on. So first we are going to add one of my designs. We are going to add Ultra Color Soft to this shirt, and this is 100% polyester. I am using my A to Z. I love this heat press. And I need to adjust my pressure. So that's good. I'm using this pad and I love this pad. You can buy it at heatronics.com. It helps a lot with the small t-shirts. You can have a firm pressure. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to press my shirt to remove any wrinkles or any moisture. I have my pad right in the center of my heat press platen. So all I'm going to do is adjust it, and that looks about right. So we are going to preheat. That is good. I just received my order and I'm really excited. My design turned out great. I'm so excited about this design. It's beautiful. So we are going to add this mermaid, and so I think that is centered. So let me just adjust something right here. I'm going to add the name as well, and I'm going to add it. I think that's pretty even. For Ultra Color Soft, you have to add cover sheet, same as with the glitter flake. We are going to hit apply for 12 seconds. Ultra Color Soft for 100% polyester, you can hit apply it from 290 to 320. I have it at 315. I've been working currently and I've been making a lot of face masks. I've been making some orders, so I haven't really had time to make any videos, but I'm gonna be adding some more products to my website. I have this other mermaid and I also ordered some of this one, as long as this cat. I'm going to be adding mouse pads, and I have this sign with this cat and it's beautiful. I'll put it in the thumbnail so you can see it. So there's gonna be more products coming. Also, I'm going to be making a necklace with the mermaids. That's why I got some little ones, and probably some earrings. I'm not sure yet. So my design is completely cold. You can see how it peels so easy. I love it. And this is the final result. I believe the little girl is going to love this design. So if you would like it, you can go order the shirt. Also, if you just want to buy the design, I'm gonna be adding them on my Etsy shop. Okay, dear friends, now we are going to heat apply it in 100% cotton, and the temperature is going to be at 360, and I'm going to heat apply it for 15 seconds. We are going to go ahead and thread our shirt same way. So this time we're gonna use this design and we are going to place it right in the middle, and it's a little bit. And for the name, I'm going to use Chroma Bling, and I'm just gonna set it right here. It's all good to go, and we gotta wait. They're both cold peel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Thank you.